All right, everyone. Hey, everyone. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video, and you are going to like this video. I think you will. You should. I don't know. We'll see. Hit the like button if you like the video. We're going to talk about 5 things, guys. 5 things we're going to look at that are money makers. Some have already been money makers, the 2 out of the 5, so technically 3 since the 2 have already been. But you never know. Maybe those other 2 might go back up again. They're extremely interesting. As I'm doing the video, I haven't checked exactly where they are right now. You'll see what I mean. Do not go away. You will like this. All right, the first one, everyone. DRMA is the ticker symbol. And today, during regular trading hours, DRMA went all the way up to $3.15 as I'm doing the video right now. I don't know where it is. It might be back up there. I don't know. But during regular hours, in my day trade section, the day trade channel section of my Discord, I'm not going to, this isn't the video where I'm going to just tell you, look what I did in my Discord here and what happened. No, I'm going to actually show you money makers for tomorrow, then on the for the 22nd of March, for the 24th of March, and pretty much for this week and next week. There's some other money makers, right? So I'll show you. Now, of course, when I say money makers, please, one more thing I want to get out of the way real quick. When I say money maker, I'm talking about what I personally believe is going to go up, and that's just for me. You should never trade at all in any way, shape, or form, according to my videos, right? At all. You'll have to do your own due diligence. So ticker symbol DRMA at $2.31. I jumped in real quick in the day trade section, and I said that I will buy it at $2.30. All right. So DRMA at $2.31. I got in and I got out $2.36. That was a quick one. That's why I got in the day trade section, and I just wanted to get in and out quick, which was kind of dumb, extremely dumb. I got in at $2.31, got out at $2.36, and DRMA went up to $3.15 within the next 20 seconds after I bought it. I made a $108 profit on that really quick in and out, where if I would have held for 20 seconds, I would have made over $1,000. So extremely stupid, but it was a good idea, though. All right, it was a good idea. So that's that. So yeah, it went all the way up to $3.16. And after I said it, and now it's as I'm doing the videos right here. All right, so that's one. Number 2, let's go to another one. Nucana PLC is for the March 24th. So this isn't something I'm going to tell you, hey, look at this. It did this and that. Nucana PLC, I've talked about it many times, more times in the Discord and a few times also on YouTube. Ticker symbol NCNA. I've done 2 videos on it on YouTube already. Now it's at $1.60 as I had when I created the video. Right now that I am looking on my other monitor on my PC, it's at $1.71, so it's gone up. All right, so NCNA March 24th is the court case. If you've been following my IPO Market Watch channel on YouTube, or if you were, if you're in my Discord, you know that NCNA has the court date on March 24th. And Nucana, basically, if you're new, is a company that for years has been fighting Gilead, who they say has stole their patent to make a drug that Gilead made $68 billion so far in sales. So if Nucana wins this Friday, March 24th, the court case, they stand to make big time money. Big. And Nucana is already going up today. So that's that. Very interesting, I think. Extremely interesting stock. By the way, last year in 2022, in the German courts in Germany, Gilead lost the court case against Nucana and then appealed that court decision. So far Nucana is they beat them 1-0 so far. But there was the appeal from Gilead, and on Friday to March 24th coming up is the court case. So if Nucana, if we go by stats and so on, so far it seems more favorable that Nucana would win. If they win, it's game over, in my opinion. There's no use for Gilead to appeal. They would have lost 2 court cases in a row, right? So that's that. And it's going to make Nucana get $1 billion in. If they win, they get $1 billion in immediately in licensing fees from Gilead, $1 billion, and then $500 million annually in royalty revenue from the drug that Gilead is selling and has already made 68 billion, not million, but billion US dollars. So this is very big. Nucana could possibly, if they win the court case, they will explode, in my opinion. If they win the court case, it's going to be huge. If they don't, oh well. So there are risks involved, right? And back on January 28, 2020, so in the beginning of the year of 2023, I had made a video review and analysis of who Nucana is, NCNA. Here's a screenshot of that video in my Discord. So if you were in my Discord, you would have seen it. You would have known about it since January. And here's a screenshot. It was at $1.41 then. Now it's at $1.71. It didn't move. It only moved like 30 cents around there since January when I made the video. That was because and I'm glad that we should be happy that it even went up 30 cents since then, because the court case is now on Friday, right? So until then, people were, investors were, should I get in, should I not? Let's see, let's get near the court case and so on. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be awesome. We're going to be very cool. If you want to join the Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Number 3, guys. Number 3, Cidara Therapeutics. I've done a video on YouTube many times. 4 videos on Cidara Therapeutics. My first video was when it was 75 cents. Here's a screenshot of that video. So at 75 cents, I did a YouTube video, not a Discord. You didn't have to be a Discord member. You just had to follow me here on YouTube. You would have known about Cidara Therapeutics at 75 cents. Where is Cidara Therapeutics today? It's at $2.05 as I'm doing the video. And tomorrow they have the FDA decision. So the FDA tomorrow decides whether Cidara Therapeutics drug will be approved or not. It could possibly make a move during the later part of the regular hours or in the after hours today and go even higher. We'll see. If not, then the FDA approval, if it comes, and I think it will, I'm bullish, and I think that they will get approved, then the stock will move much higher. Number 4 is SELB, ticker symbol SELB, and I said today in my Discord and Patreon. This was during pre-market hours, and YouTube paid members, this was posted everywhere during pre-market hours, that I would buy it at $1.45, and I explained further in my Patreon and YouTube paid member posts much more than just this on Discord. I said that it would be a quick trade, 5 cents minimum, I'm out, and so on. So I got in at $1.45 on SELB. I was able to get out at $1.49 within pre-market hours, and then went up to 151, I think, or 160, around there, which is fine with me. I really don't care. I just wanted to get in a quick in and out. That was pre-announced as always. There's, I will never, I always pre-announce my entries and my exits. People know ahead of time when I want to get in, at how long I want to hold, and so on. So that was pretty cool. Another great day trade for today. And so that's that. Now let's talk about number 5. Before I show you some stocks for number 5, let me explain what number 5 has to do. And number 5 has to do with the Federal Reserve. If the Federal Reserve tomorrow, if the Federal Reserve tomorrow announces 50 basis points, then it's all over. The stock market is going down. I can guarantee you that. But if they do a rate, if they pause the rate hikes, right? If they pause the rate hikes, then number 5 will be extremely bullish sector and will do awesome. Today it's been doing well. All right, for the second day in a row, this sector has been doing well. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the energy sector, and the oil, natural gas sector for the past 2 days is going up. If tomorrow, by some miracle, there is the Federal Reserve decides by some miracle and says that we're going to pause rate hikes, because that was on the table. It's not like something I'm making it up on or I'm dreaming or imagining about. It sort of is on the table. Even analysts say there's a 25-30% chance that the Federal Reserve might pause rate hikes. Now, the 50 basis points would shock me if they did that. I don't think they're going to do that. And most likely is that they're going to do 25 basis points. But if they do pause the rate hikes, the energy sector will explode. So for the second day in a row, like I said, crude oil continues to go higher after ending last week at a 15-month low on worries over the banking sector. Some analysts are saying that the oil will end 2023 at 140 and at 120 to $140 per barrel. That would be recession. That would be really bad. I don't think that's going to happen, but you never know. The energy sector is the hardest sector to predict. Warren Buffett said that if there's one sector that he can never and does not want to predict, is the energy sector. And I think if he says that, then that's something that I need to stick by also, because he knows a lot more than me. All right, so the energy sector is why is the energy sector hard to predict? Because it has more to do, it has more outside factors than just the company and its earnings. The energy sector, for example, is affected by politics, wars, and politicians, are extremely unpredictable. It's crazy how politics work. So with that being said, I think that the Fed pausing rate hikes will of course have for the entire stock market a nice mini bull run, let's say, but solely focusing on the energy sector, I think it's going to do well. And even at 25 basis points, I still think that the energy sector will do well, right? WTI right now today has gone up 8.06%, so that's good. And it's at $4.90 right now. And then we have oil, which it's getting hit hard for the past month, let's say. But today it's climbing up slowly. It was at $3.90 today, I think it hit, and then it's at $4.25 now. Overall, I do believe though that oil and WTI, those two ticker symbols, are going to be ticker symbols that if we check them in November of this year, 2023, they're going to be trading higher than what they are trading now. That's just my opinion, of course. Doesn't mean I'm right.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.